Hello human bodies. Welcome back. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. This video is about how to grow realistic hairs on a bald head using Photoshop. The video is going to be very interesting. So let's begin. First open Photoshop and import the photo. Create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl and J button on your keyboard. Also create a new layer by clicking on this new layer icon. Move this blank layer under the layer 1. Select layer 1. Go to the toolbar and select the move tool. I'm moving this face to the down a little bit. Now select the blank layer. Go to the color box, select color from the photo background. Press Alt and Backspace to apply the color. Now select the top layer. We need a ready-made hair for this head. So I have an excellent idea for this. I will cut out hair from this photo and put it on this head. Now select pen tool from the toolbar, and mark on hairs. Press and hold Alt button and click here to remove this handle. After marking, press Ctrl and Enter to make selection. Press Ctrl and J button to create a new layer from this selection. Select the Move tool and move hairs to our previous photo. The hair is too small. Press Ctrl and T to transform. Now you can resize and adjust the hair like this. Click on this icon to apply the transformation. Now reduce the opacity little bit. Go to the toolbar and select the eraser tool. Select a soft eraser from here. Set the eraser hardness to 0%. Use right bracket to make the eraser circle bigger, and left bracket for make it smaller. Don't forget to select the layer of hairs. Now use this eraser to mix the skin color. The ear is covered by hair. Erase hairs from the subject's ear. Now you can set back the opacity to 100%. Press Ctrl and L button to open the level adjustment window. Now adjust the brightness level to match it with the face. Click OK button. Now go to Image. Then Adjustments. And then Hue and Saturation. Now reduce the saturation. Now the hair looks more realistic. Click OK button. We have done. Nobody can say that the hair is fake. Now press Ctrl and E button twice to merge layers. Here it's before and after. To save this photo, go to File, Save As, and then change file format to JPEG or PNG, also set a name and click on Save. I hope you understand. Please consider to subscribe this YouTube channel if you like my videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.